Aerobic respiration. What is aerobic respiration? Aerobic respiration is a metabolic process where the cell uses oxygen to break down glucose into energy in the form of ATP, releasing carbon dioxide and water as byproduct. This process occurs in the cytoplasm and mitochondria of eukaryotic cells and is the most efficient way for organisms to generate energy. Glucose, which came from the food we eat to release energy. This energy is stored in a molecule called ATP, also known as cell's energy currency. Glucose plus oxygen is equal to carbon dioxide plus water plus ATP, or the energy. Aerobic respiration can be broken down into three main stages. First one is glycolysis. The second is the Krebs cycle or the citric acid cycle. And the third one is the electron transport chain and chemosis. These stages process glucose to create a large amount of energy in the form of ATP with the help of oxygen. When you exercise, your muscle need more ATP. To make more ATP, your cells need more oxygen. That's why your breathing speeds up and your heart beats faster. Your body is trying to deliver more oxygen to your cells so aerobic respiration can produce enough energy. For example, when you start running, your legs muscles begin to working harder. They need more energy to keep tightened. To supply that energy, your body needs more oxygen and glucose. Oxygen to fuel aerobic respiration and glucose is from your stored glycogen or food. That's why your breathing rate increases so that it can bring more oxygen, and your heart rate increases to deliver oxygen blood more quickly to your muscles. Aerobic respiration produces carbon dioxide is that when you breathe it out faster while running and after running. Water or the H2O, it contributes to sweat and vapor in your breath. In summary, aerobic respiration is how our cells turn glucose and oxygen into energy, or ATP. It happens in the mitochondria and produces carbon dioxide and water as waste. It's the reason your body works whether you are running, exercise, or walking. The more active you are, the more energy your cells need, and the faster aerobic respiration happens. For instance, glucose plus oxygen is equal to carbon dioxide plus water plus ATP, or the energy. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something.